Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you my version of Vietnamese fish sauce chicken wings. It's very crispy, very garlicky, and if you love Southeast Asian flavors, this recipe is for you. I'm going to start up with 1 kilo chicken wings. We're going to add in 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 tablespoons of crushed ginger. Now I'm going to add in some boiling water, just enough to cover the chicken wings. Then we're going to soak it for 20 minutes. To make the sauce, I'll add in 1.5 tablespoons of fish sauce. Half a tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, 3 tablespoons of water, one tablespoon of honey, one teaspoon of oyster sauce, and the last ingredient, you can leave out, this is optional. I'll add in 1/8 teaspoon of MSG. Then I'm gonna mix it all together and leave it aside. Next step, I'm going to prepare the slurry for our sauce. I will add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch with 2 teaspoons of water and mix well. The chicken wings has been drained and all the ginger has been removed. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt, half a tablespoon of fish sauce, and 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. I'm going to mix this well together and marinate for at least 30 minutes. Now I'm going to add half a cup of potato starch, and then I'm going to make sure that all the pieces are coated evenly. Now I'm going to fry the chicken wings for about 10 minutes until they're golden and crispy. For the sauce, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil, then I'm going to add the garlic, onion and dried chili, and then I'm going to stir fry this until it becomes fragrant. Now I'm going to add in the sauce and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Now the sauce has become caramelized, I'm going to add in the celery. Finally, the chicken goes in, and we want to make sure that all the pieces are coated evenly, then it's ready to serve.